So before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now on our AUDUSD, as you can see, our AUD is actually falling against our USD. As you can see, we analyze it. We had a fall. We had a retracement on our AUDUSD. Now we're actually having a fall, waiting for our price to break below this our previous lower lows, so we are actually going to be having another lower low. So our price is about to fall. So today, before we that, let's see where our price will be moving for today by going on our 4 hour time frame, by the way. So before that, let's mark it as our I'll say how do I call it, support area here, whereby our price is possibly going to be changing direction for today, whereby we might have a bearish move, then we would possibly have a bullish move, except our price breaks below this our support area. As you can see on our 4 hour time frame, our price is actually ranging on our AUDUSD. Our price is actually ranging against our AUDUSD. So definitely we would want to be ranging with it if what our price shows us is what we would want to be trading, and not what we think of, but what we are saying it is what we will trade. So possibly when our price drops, it is our support area, we possibly going to be getting a bullish move upward. And if not, if our price breaks below it, then possibly we should be waiting to enter our sell trade at around 0.712. Wait to enter your sell trade around 0.712. That is around this key area I am going to be marking. As you can see, 0.712. If our price can break it or touches that our area here, then I think it would be a good opportunity to actually take your sell positions downward. If not, we should actually be ranging, as our 4 hour is actually ranging on our AUDUSD, and our 1 hour time frame too is still showing us the same thing. It is still actually ranging, so let us range with it, except we have a breakout below it, then we can actually now take our sell position on our AUDUSD. So that is my analysis for today.